How to inspect and service an Evac single appliance unit. Undo the 4 fixings located at the top of the unit, and keep them safe. Some versions may have hex head fittings here instead. Remove the lid and O-ring seal. Remove the float. Check its condition and clean. There is a rubber nozzle located at the base of the unit. To remove the rubber nozzle, prise it out using a flathead screwdriver. Use your finger to push it free. Check the condition of the nozzle. If there are signs of significant wear or splits, the nozzle should be replaced. Refit the nozzle, ensuring it is reseated correctly. Applying a small amount of white grease could make it easier. Refit the float. Refit the O-ring. Refit the lid. Refit the fixings securely. Try to make sure all 4 fixings are fitted to the same tightness.